It's been amazing. Hello. Thank you so much. You know, there's a time that I was below 1,000 subscribers. And do you know who inspired me immediately? And then I got 1,000 subscribers immediately. It is Chris Must List. And this is what I said, that I had to host him on my channel because he is a great inspiration. So today let's meet Chris List before he leaves the village. It is just a minute, yeah. In fact, I'm very lucky, yeah. And then because he's a very humble guy, he has decided to be hosted on my channel. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. So continue watching the video until the end, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, this is what I want to tell Chris, or Chris Must List, that because of the lives that he has touched in this village, it's been amazing. So it is so great to have him, and wherever he goes, let God bless him and bless him abundantly. Few questions about masterclass.
Yeah.
I had not started the videos.
Yeah, you let me know when you're ready.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Guys, I'm so privileged. It was in the desire of my heart to meet Chris Must List in person. Kindly welcome to my channel.
Thank you. You're so kind. What an introduction. I'm excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So Chris, I had to see you. Remember the other time you inspired me? I was less than 1,000, and then that small action that you took when you were inside there, I just shooted immediately, and that night I hit 1,000 subscribers. And from there, because you encouraged me to, and you could ask me each and every day, how many videos have you uploaded? And I remember I just uploaded one video and I shooted. From one video I got 350 subscribers.
Amazing.
Yeah, so I'm grateful.
You know why the best part about this whole YouTube, the more you work, the more reward you get.
Yeah.
You know, it's just about pushing yourself every day to create content and become better and better.
Okay.
I do the same thing. There's days I'm not motivated, but I mean, if I want to reach my goal, which is 1 million+ subscribers, I got to work. I can't have days off, right?
Okay, generally, before you, maybe I know you're traveling. I just wanted to know your experience, because I know you are moving, maybe to another country.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Your experiences, generally your best experiences.
Here in Kenya?
Yeah.
Oh, there's too many to list. I don't even know where to begin. Every day's been a great, incredible experience.
Okay.
You know me, I'm a simple man. Sometimes it's just laughing. Last night when there was a dance contest, I had a great time. I don't really need anything magical to happen for me to have a great moment.
Okay.
But I mean, it's endless. I've been here, I think, like 20 days now.
Okay.
So time has really gone by quickly.
Yeah.
But I've really enjoyed myself.
You really enjoyed. So I think, I guess you've made a step, as maybe when you're talking about your YouTube channel when you are around. Have you made a major step?
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Always. You know, when I travel, my channel grows more than when I'm at home, because I'm not creating any content when I'm at home.
Okay.
So I do travel, and I do see the rewards from it.
Okay.
From a sub count, like I get more subscribers when I'm on the road.
Okay. Oh, for me, I belong to this village. But then I don't know, why did you come all the way from where you came from?
From Marwa to visit. Yeah, to visit Marwa. I came last year as well.
Okay.
I've known her for years, so I'll come every year.
Okay, you come every year.
Yeah.
Nina feel niko nervous, sijui umesimamisha simu sasa nashindwa hata.
What was that? What did she say?
She's saying that she's feeling nervous because I'm standing by here.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Don't be nervous.
It's not recording.
No, you're a YouTuber.
No, there's no problem.
No, you gotta fight that
I don't
fear.
know why.
Yeah, you gotta fight it.
It's okay until even questions
Feel
are
comfortable.
gone.
Feel comfortable. You gotta make it happen. It's part of YouTube.
Oh, this is not your first time.
No.
Yeah.
First time in Kenya or first time on camera?
First time, no, at Marwa's place.
No, it's not my first time.
It is not your first time. Okay.
Nor my last.
So what can you speak good about your village?
Everything is beautiful. I love the village life. This is fun for me. I'm from a big city, Toronto, Canada. Big buildings, but this is what I enjoy.
You enjoy, yeah?
Yeah.
I understand one of your best friends is Uncle Mo. What is special about Uncle
Yeah, he's just a
Mo?
magical man. He's a happy man, a simple man.
A simple man.
Simple things make him happy.
Okay.
So yeah, he's great to be around.
Okay.
And authentic, I guess that's a good word.
Okay. Is it the first time that you and him
No.
are okay?
I met him in the past.
Okay.
We filmed last year together as well.
Okay. Okay. It's only maybe I do not subscribe to your channel. but
Yeah.
when
Oh, you're
came,
not subscribed to my
I
channel?
have
This
now,
interview is over.
But the other time when you came.
I'm just joking.
Yeah, the other time, but this time I always follow you.
Yeah.
Okay, what can you inspire me as a young YouTuber in the village?
Yeah, just keep creating content.
Okay.
Create good content. Always try to outdo yourself.
Okay.
You know, you're your only competition because there's 200 people here. Who cares?
Okay.
You want to create better content than them. And that's the way I look at it, competition.
Okay.
But I can say that you can also team up with 2 or 3 other people from the village,
Okay.
brainstorm together, come up with ideas together. Maybe you want to do one and they want to do one. Sometimes being a group of intelligent people
Okay.
is beneficial. You know, they say 2 minds are
Okay.
better than 1. So you got so many YouTubers here.
Okay.
You could use it to your advantage. That would be my advice.
Okay.
And work hard.
Okay. Anything you want to know from me?
Yeah. How does your right arm feel holding up that phone for so long?
For so long. Okay, I'm comfortable because it is light.
No, you know what? We bumped into each other quite a few times over the last 20 days.
Okay.
Exciting to see you grow.
Yeah.
I'm the kind of guy that like hold the trophy. You got 1,000.
I was
But
very
get
happy
1,000,
that-
hold the trophy, and then put the trophy down and keep working towards 2 and 3 and 4 and 5,000.
Okay.
You know what I find here, which is different than my part of the world. If you get to 20,000 subscribers, your life changes.
Okay.
Financially, it really changes.
Okay.
Whereas in my part of the world, you might have to hit 1 million subscribers. So it's very achievable. So utilize people around you like Mayugno that's hit it, or Claude Joseph that's hit it.
Yeah.
Talk to them. Brainstorm with them. Hey, give me 3 ideas.
Okay.
Help me out. There are people here willing to share information with you.
Yeah, because at least they have more subscribers.
Yeah.
And they walked this journey.
But the shout out is not your goal. Okay, your goal is to do it yourself. Life is not that easy. Like a shout out might get you an audience, but it's not going to be a loyal audience. You need to build the audience yourself. You be the star. So even if I'm in the video, I'm the co-star. You're the star, right? So remain the star of your own show. That's my long-winded advice.
Okay, thank you so much for hosting you.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
It's an honor.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I just read some. Okay, the last. Is it the last? Oh, I know the last words that you posted, and I was like, I could not get you, but I'm so happy that at least I've met you, and the desire of my heart has been fulfilled.
Well, I appreciate that. That's an
Thank you
amazing
so
conclusion.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's an honor.
Safe journey.
Yes.
Wherever you'll be going. Yeah, I know you're heading to
Congo, if I
Congo.
can.
Yeah, Congo. Okay, safe journey.
Yes.
And I know in this journey we will meet somewhere.
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you, and welcome back to our village.
I'll be back.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for hosting you.
Yes.
It's been amazing having a conversation with him. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I appreciate your time. This is Claire.
Hello guys. Hello nice mom. Hello family.
Yeah,
How are you? How are you nice mom?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Are you saying today I'm excited?
You're very excited, right?
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Hello guys. I go by the name Chef Claire _1.
Yeah.
Yes, and I'm here with nice mom, you know. So tell me,
Yeah,
are
I'm
you
good.
excited?
I'm so good because I've just met Chris.
Yeah.
Christmas list. Yeah, it's been amazing. Remember the other time he inspired me, and that is how I reached 1,000K. So I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm very happy, and I'm happy to host you. Yeah, I host everybody on my channel. Yeah,
Yeah, thank
because
you.
I know next time you okay. Let me tell you, Chef Claire, you'll never know. you'll never know. This life, you'll never know. Yeah, you continue supporting people, and then maybe you'll get even one person to support you.
Yes.
And let me encourage you. There's a video that I made, and I cannot. Okay, I'm always free to share this. There's a video that I made, and do you know that video gave me 350 subscribers, and it was one video.
350.
300,
Wow.
1, 2, 3, up to 350.
Wow.
So be encouraged, continue making videos.
Yes.
You'll never know where your angel will come from.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
never know. You never
Yeah.
know. Like you can wake up today,
Yes.
and maybe your videos won't go.
Yeah.
Then tomorrow,
Yes.
they blow up. So
Exactly.
So no giving up.
Yeah,
Just doing videos every day.
every day,
yeah.
every day. So be
Yeah.
encouraged. This is a journey,
Yes.
and we never know of tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Mom.
So
You know, she's like my mom,
yeah.
and I love her so much.
Thank you.
Family.
Thank
Yes, and she
Thank
always
you.
encourages me.
Yeah,
Always when
yes,
we meet.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Right now, I've seen you. Subscribers, you know, are coming.
Yeah, they are coming. Imagine
Yeah.
they are coming for us. You too.
Yeah. It's because
How many subscribers do you have at the moment?
right now I have 1,500.
That's a good number.
1,500, and
Yeah.
I'm grateful, guys. I'm very grateful,
Yeah.
family.
Yes.
Thank you so much for supporting us here, for
Yeah, in the
supporting me
village,
personally. Yeah, like you know, coming from one subscriber
Yeah,
to 1,500
15.
subscribers, it makes a change. You know,
Exactly.
like it gives me that courage to do other things. You know.
Yeah, and then you know there are some people. Okay, everybody has got his way maybe of doing these things,
Yes.
and maybe of luck. But guys, you know me, I stuck at 98 subscriber for a very long time. Okay, it's drizzling. So I know that's how it feels, and I know the work and how it is hard to get many subscribers. Until next time, bye guys. I love you so much.